Across vast landscapes, a silent revolution is unfolding. China, once known for its reliance on coal, is now a green energy giant. It's a story of ambition, innovation, and a nation's commitment to a sustainable future. China's journey to becoming the world's leading producer of solar panels is nothing short of remarkable. In just a few decades, China has transformed from a minor player to a solar superpower. This incredible rise is a testament to the nation's strategic vision and its relentless pursuit of technological advancement. Today, China stands as a beacon of hope in the global fight against climate change. Its solar panels are now illuminating homes, powering businesses, and driving innovation across the globe. The world is watching as China leads the charge towards a future powered by clean energy. This is the story of how China became the world's solar powerhouse. It's a story of ingenuity, determination, and the promise of a brighter future for us all. China's dominance in the solar industry isn't a happy accident. It's the result of strategic investments in research and development. Chinese scientists and engineers have been at the forefront of solar technology innovation. They've consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, developing more efficient and affordable solar panels. One of the key breakthroughs has been in the development of high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar cells. These cells are more efficient at converting sunlight into electricity, making them ideal for maximizing energy output. China has also made significant strides in the production of thin-film solar panels. These panels are lightweight, flexible, and less expensive to manufacture, making them ideal for a wider range of applications. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Chinese companies are also leading the way in developing new materials and manufacturing processes. This relentless pursuit of technological advancement has enabled China to produce solar panels that are not only highly efficient, but also increasingly affordable. China's manufacturing prowess is no secret. The nation has a long history of producing goods at scale, and solar panels are no exception. China's massive manufacturing capacity allows it to produce solar panels at an unprecedented scale, meeting the surging global demand for clean energy. Vast factories, humming with activity, churn out millions of solar panels every year. This large-scale production has driven down manufacturing costs, making solar energy more accessible to people around the world. China's ability to produce affordable solar panels has been a game-changer in the global energy landscape. This combination of technological innovation and manufacturing expertise has given China a significant competitive advantage in the global solar market. It has enabled the nation to capture a lion's share of global solar panel production, solidifying its position as the world's leading supplier. China's solar panels are now a common sight in countries all over the world. From sprawling solar farms in sunny deserts to rooftops in bustling cities, the nation has become the world's leading exporter of solar panels, shipping its products to every corner of the globe. European nations eager to embrace renewable energy have become major importers of Chinese solar panels. The United States, a country with abundant sunshine, also relies heavily on Chinese imports to meet its growing solar energy demands. And in developing countries across Africa, Asia, and Latin America, Chinese solar panels are bringing electricity to communities for the first time. This global reach is a testament to the quality and affordability of Chinese solar panels. It also highlights the crucial role China is playing in driving the global transition to cleaner energy sources. Section 5, shaking up the market. The impact of Chinese exports on global prices. The influx of affordable Chinese solar panels has sent ripples through the global energy market. The cost of solar panels has plummeted in recent years, making solar energy more competitive with traditional fossil fuels than ever before. This price drop has been a boon for consumers, who are now reaping the benefits of cheaper, cleaner electricity. It has also put pressure on traditional energy providers to adapt to the rapidly changing energy landscape. However, the low prices of Chinese solar panels have also sparked trade disputes. Some countries have accused China of dumping solar panels on the global market at artificially low prices, harming domestic solar manufacturers. These disputes highlight the complex geopolitical landscape surrounding the global solar industry. Section 6, Renewable Energy Revolution, how China's solar panels are powering the world. Despite the challenges, there's no denying that China's solar panels are playing a pivotal role in the global renewable energy revolution. They are helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and paving the way for a more sustainable energy future. In sun-drenched regions like California, massive solar farms equipped with Chinese panels are generating enough electricity to power entire cities. In remote villages in India, solar panels are providing a lifeline, bringing light to homes and schools that were once shrouded in darkness. From bustling megacities to isolated communities, Chinese solar panels are transforming lives and powering economies. They are a symbol of hope, demonstrating that a cleaner, brighter future is within reach. Section 7, Environmental Stewardship. The green impact of China's solar ambitions. China's embrace of solar energy isn't just driven by economic factors, it's also a key part of the nation's commitment to combating climate change and reducing its environmental footprint. As the world's largest emitter of greenhouse gases, China has a critical role to play in global efforts to mitigate climate change. By investing heavily in solar energy and other renewable sources, China is taking significant steps to reduce its carbon emissions and transition to a greener economy. This shift towards clean energy is already having a tangible impact. Air quality in China's major cities is improving, and the country is on track to meet its ambitious renewable energy targets. China's solar ambitions are not only transforming its own energy landscape, but also serving as an example for other nations to follow. Section 8. Challenges on the horizon: trade disputes and the quest for sustainability. Despite its remarkable success, China's solar industry faces its share of challenges. Trade disputes with other countries threaten to disrupt the global solar market and slow down the adoption of solar energy. The quest for sustainability is another pressing concern. The production of solar panels, like any manufacturing process, has environmental impacts. Ensuring that the raw materials are sourced responsibly and that manufacturing processes are environmentally friendly is crucial for the long-term sustainability of the industry. China is acutely aware of these challenges and is taking steps to address them. The government is encouraging the development of more efficient and environmentally friendly solar technologies. It is also working to strengthen environmental regulations and promote sustainable practices throughout the solar supply chain. Section 9, Innovation for a Brighter Future. China's pursuit of cutting-edge solar technologies. China's commitment to solar energy goes beyond simply manufacturing existing technologies. The country is at the forefront of solar innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Chinese scientists and engineers are developing next-generation solar technologies that promise even greater efficiency and affordability. Perovskite solar cells, for example, are a promising area of research. These cells have the potential to be cheaper and more efficient than traditional silicon-based cells. China is also exploring innovative applications for solar energy. From solar-powered roads and buildings to floating solar farms, the possibilities seem endless. This spirit of innovation is what has propelled China to the forefront of the global solar industry, and it will continue to drive the development of new and exciting solar technologies in the years to come. Section 10. A global leader in renewable energy: China's vision for a sustainable future. China's rise as a solar powerhouse is not just about economic dominance, it's about a vision for a sustainable future, a future where clean energy powers our world and protects our planet. China's commitment to solar energy is an inspiration to nations around the world. By investing heavily in renewable energy and promoting its adoption globally, China is demonstrating that a transition to a low-carbon economy is not only possible but essential. Its actions are setting a powerful example for other nations to follow. China's vision for a sustainable future is one that we can all get behind. It's a vision of a world where clean energy is abundant and accessible to all, a world where economic growth and environmental protection go hand in hand. Section 11. Conclusion. The future is bright for solar energy. The story of China's rise as a solar powerhouse is far from over. It's a story that is still being written, a story of innovation, determination, and a shared commitment to a brighter future. As China continues to invest in solar energy and other renewable sources, it is paving the way for a more sustainable future for us all. The future of solar energy is bright, and China is leading the charge. Its journey serves as a powerful reminder that we have the power to create a cleaner, more sustainable world. The sun's energy is free and boundless, and with China's help, we are only just beginning to tap into its vast potential. It's time to embrace the power of the sun and join China in building a brighter future for generations to come.